Hallo und willkommen auf meinem YouTube-Kanal. Auf Barbados haben wir eine Fahrt mit dem Sugarcane Train gemacht. Solche Züge gibt es auf einigen Karibikinseln. Sie waren dafür da, das Zuckerrohr von den Feldern zur Destille zu transportieren. Nach der Fahrt konnten wir auch noch die Destille besichtigen, die auch heute noch in Betrieb ist.
If you look at doing that, that's very, very large speed. If you go straight right from that, as soon as you exit, that is the whole proposition. More than 200 stops. Swetania macrophilia, as it's known, or micro. That's red, it's very white. This was, of course, dug recently. This was one complete piece of cutting of rock, keeping this area secluded from the rest of the plantation. This area was once referred to as Four's Alley or Four's Gully on the original map of this plantation. There's reference, of course, to some of the activities that African people and women, of course, have been to this area, just in cooperation. However, we turned it into a small garden, of course, planted things like sea grapes, often found on the medical market of the track. 90th British and Plantation Station. This is Mahoney Avenue, where there work is being done in the area to build a bridge. So right now on the Abbey, we have 0.9 miles of length of railway. We're going to add a couple of kilometers, so we can come out at about maybe 4 kilometer track, going in what would be a westerly direction. Easterly, that is. So ladies and gentlemen, we'll make a loop. This plantation is 400 acres of land, however, it's only wise to build a railway on part of it, assuming we need the rest of the land for sugar cane. There are able to government land, that'll be their part of the loop. It is, of course, this is what the railway ran here in Barbados from the year of 1881. Our railway is going to come to an end in a few hundred meters. Then what that is done is the locomotive will sit on the turntable. They'll be turned around by the farmer. Any of you would like to assist in turning that on the turntable, you can volunteer.
Is that off there? Yeah, sure. To the back. Yes, actually. Oh, here. Let's just show the turntable. Oh, you go to the turntable. What? You can go to the turntable first. Oh, then I'll do it from here then. Good morning, everyone. Everyone's good? My friends, every day that they push 27 tons around, they don't believe me. They don't believe me.
Our farmer will turn the engine. Would you like to assist our farmer? Ladies and gentlemen, for some of you, if you're desirous, you won't have to be able. That's good. You can stay if you want.
No problem. I really appreciate it. One moment. Yes, any volunteers, come on down. Yeah, yes, guys, thank you for volunteering. It's only 27 tons. Don't be shy. We've done push-ups, we've had breakfast, maybe a little run. Okay, guys, thank you so much for volunteering, okay? We will pushing the locomotive this way so that the front of the railway line
gonna need up with these, okay? And we're moving already. Oh yes, these guys are strong. Okay, guys. We're just gonna look back at the camera and pretend you're back. Oh yes, that's a good place, okay? Oh yes, beautiful. Beautiful. 27 tons, look at that, yeah. These guys have breakfast. Oh yes. Alright guys, all stop, all stop. Perfect. Give them a round of applause. Oh yeah, beautiful. Okay guys, this is the part where we collect the check from the bar.
Departure time is around 10:30, give or take. And of course, same carriage you came up in, same carriage you go down in. If you were in the back, you were on the front. If you were in the front, you were on the back. And of course, middle is still the carriage. You get dramatic finish. Lick up dramatic finish.
I'll film it from this. I'll continue filming from this platform so I can get some shots of the curve.
You don't do nothing off of the track.
What's up?
You're not filming off of the track itself.
I'm gonna film the track, but the later run.
Oh, later. You're going back down, filming from the back.
Yeah, I'll go back down, then I was probably gonna film the next departure from the station.
Well, you're gonna be on. You're gonna be staying here, going back down.
Yes.
You don't want back the coach next to the train. You don't want that one. You're gonna go from the back now.
It'll be far in the back.
Okay.
Yep. No. There's advantages to being both at the front and the back when getting these shots, and I got some good shots of the engine, so I got some good shots of the back.
They're closely related to the sandbox tree. And if you guys head, ladies and gentlemen, to, when you guys get to the Great House, you're going to see the very old sandbox tree in the Great House yard, said to be more than 400 plus years of age. To your far right, ladies and gentlemen, that is Mount Gay Distillery over there. Mount Gay Distillery. In these Cave Hill campus, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very talented history professor at the university. Could actually speak German fluently as well, ladies and gentlemen.
Many of them were out of Scotland. So if you ever see Bonnie Bridge, Calder, Glenboy, these are places in Scotland where the benefits is right. So I'm trying to speak slowly as I can. Yes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to send it over here, please, and then evaporate it, okay? We do not throw away washed clean. We're going to put it on the outside. It is called slowly. Very small compared to the others on the when it's wrong. You guys will soon get the opportunity to taste. So, ladies and gentlemen, most of the owners of the estate were absentee. They had to rely on an overseer or manager. If you're not trying to white rum.